Hello, my name is Carlos Guerrero. I am 44 years old. I am a public accountant, but don't work in accounting, but in other business. I am married to Cristina Santana. I am very kind person, very patient, very cheerful. I am living in Zambrano, Bolívar, on the north coast of Colombia. Okay. This activity 4 of English code. The people in English 1 are going to start a soccer match. And there is less pool than in Imagine 2. This girl is greater than this. The people in Imagine 2 are playing soccer. The atmosphere is warmer than in Imagine 1. There is a lot of public because it's an important match. It's more exciting. In both events, the cheer as live. Thank you.